Now this is crazy. Ever wondered why sneezing doesn't blow us apart? When you sneeze, air rushes out of your lungs at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, creating a burst of pressure that could, in theory, cause serious harm. But your body is perfectly engineered to handle it. Flexible cartilage in your nose and throat absorbs the shock, while your muscles and soft tissues direct the force outward. Your glottis, a flap in your throat, closes tightly, building up pressure until it's released in a controlled explosion. It's nature's way of clearing irritants without self-destruction.